Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a cucumber, so let's get started. First, start by drawing two round big eyes, inside with a circle and another smaller circle. Then draw a curve inside. With 3 lines. And the mouth. Now just flying with me, draw the cucumber. And then color the detail. We have a cucumber. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.